Welcome to the Autopulse NXT Resuscitation System in-service video series. This multi-part series provides detailed information about the Autopulse NXT mechanical CPR device and its functionality. This series serves as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the user guide available at ZOLL.com. Proper use of the system requires a thorough understanding of the product, appropriate training, and practice. In this module, we review how to install and remove the Autopulse NXT Band. In this module, we review how to install and remove the Autopulse NXT Band. The Autopulse NXT Resuscitation System includes a hygiene barrier to help reduce contamination during use. If your facility uses the hygiene barrier, always install a new hygiene barrier before installing a new Autopulse NXT Band. Refer to the Hygiene Barrier module for installation instructions. To install the Autopulse NXT Band, place the platform on a flat surface with the patient's side face up. Place the band on top of the platform, aligning the yellow lines on the band with the yellow line on the platform. Starting on one side, orient the band in a U-shape, ensuring there are no twists. In the guard port, ensure that the spool on each side of the platform is oriented so the slot is facing out. Before inserting your fingers into the guard port, ensure that the spools are not moving. Hold the bottom of the band with the small end of the pin facing the yellow line. Insert the small end of the pin into the hole closest to the yellow line. Insert the large end of the pin into the opposite hole. With your fingers under the band, press the pin and snap it into place. To secure the band, insert the short side of the band guard into the top of the guard port. Push the long side of the band guard into the bottom of the guard port, fully snapping the band guard into the guard port. Repeat these steps on the other side. To remove the Autopulse NXT Band, push the bottom or long side of the band guard up and lift it out of the guard port. Next, press the platform release away from the yellow line to release the pin. Remove the pin. Pull on the band to remove it from the platform. Repeat these steps on the other side. Discard the band as biohazard waste. We have now reviewed how to install and remove the Autopulse NXT Band.